Managing rental properties involves more than collecting rent. It's about keeping finances organized, monitoring performance, and preparing for tax season. Stessa is a free property management platform built specifically for landlords and real estate investors to simplify these tasks. Whether you own a single rental or a growing portfolio, Stessa helps you track income and expenses, view property performance, and automate reports all from one easy to use dashboard. In this video, I'm going to show you or demonstrate or give you a walkthrough of Stessa's key features and why it remains a top choice for property managers worldwide. So for its key features and benefits, first is the automated income and expense tracking. Stessa connects to your bank and credit card accounts, automatically importing transactions. You can categorize expenses, assign them to properties, and track rental income without manual data entry. This saves hours of bookkeeping each month and keeps records accurate and up to date. Another key feature is the real-time financial dashboards. Get a clear picture of your property or portfolio performance with real-time dashboards. You'll see metrics like net cash flow, occupancy, ROI, and more. This helps you make faster, data-driven decisions to maximize returns. Another key feature is the smart document storage. You can upload and store receipts, lease agreements, inspection reports, and other documents for each property. Everything is backed up and organized in one place. This keeps you audit ready and ensures nothing important gets lost. Another key feature is the tax ready reporting. At tax time, you can generate a complete income and expense report or export data for your accountant or tax software. Stessa even tracks depreciation. This makes tax prep faster and reduces the risk of missing deductions. Another key feature is the mobile app access. With the Stessa mobile app, you can snap photos of receipts, log transactions on the go, and monitor property performance from anywhere. You can stay in control of your rentals no matter where you are. So why is Stessa a great choice? Stessa is ideal for self-managing landlords who want a professional, automated solution without the complexity of enterprise tools. Its automation features help eliminate spreadsheet errors and manual entry, while built-in reports and dashboards provide a clear overview of your portfolio. So if you're tired of tracking rental finances in spreadsheets or scrambling at tax time, Stessa offers a smarter way to manage your real estate investments. With automated tracking, clear reporting, and mobile access, you'll save time and make better decisions for your properties. So try Stessa today and take control of your rental property finances with ease. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.